I'm left behind, obeyed the light, but always a gone.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you why I decided to return my favorite MM, and I just got it few days ago. I did the unboxing here on my channel. I will link the video down below if you are interested. And a little backstory on this. I bought the favorite in 2015 twice. The first one was the monogram PM. I returned it. And the second one was Damia Eben MM. And I also returned it at the time. It was because the clutch the bag was too small for my lifestyle. At the time, I prefer bigger bags and everything is in full size. So they didn't fit my lifestyle. And now, as I am more into smaller bags and clutches, I have been thinking of this favorite again, and I was thinking quite a bit, and I finally decided to get one. And then after I get this one, I wasn't happy with it. I'm going to tell you why. So it is a beautiful bag, and I know many people say that it is hard to find now. It is hard to get now through online or the boutique. I don't know if that is the case for everywhere, but for me, I just placed order with my SA, and it took not too long. I mean a month or two maybe to get one, and I love it. When I saw it again, it is so beautiful, and I especially love the interior red lining here, and I love the chain. I don't love the strap, but I already have the chain strap that I got from eBay. Thank God I didn't buy the Felicia strap just yet. So this one I got in 2015 when I bought my favorite at the time, but I haven't been using this since because I returned the favorites, and it does looks prettier with the chain strap than this strap. But anyway, that's not my problem. The problem is when I wanted to use this, I put my stuff in there. It is the Louis Vuitton CP compact wallet. When I use this wallet, I don't have to bring my card case or coin purse because all fit inside. So it looks like so, and it is a small bag, but it carries a lot, I have to say that. And my mini pochette that I bring my makeup with me. It's just the Chanel compact, a Chanel lipstick, and my blotting paper that has the mirror, and few wet tissue. So I put them all inside this mini pochette because I don't want them to rolling around inside, because this bag has no structure. It's floppy, as you can see. So I don't like it. And okay, my keys. This is the 6 key holder, and of course my phone. All fits nicely inside, but I cannot bring my sunnies because it doesn't fit, and this fits perfectly like this, but it's floppy here and there, and the back doesn't hold its shape. As you can see, I try with other SLGs and still the same. So I don't want to open this bag and put out my things and everything's going here and there. I hope you know what I mean. So I'm not 100% with this bag after this happened, so I decided to return it, and I will get another bag, and I feel better now that my SA will pick it up today, and I will wait for my order, another bag to come. I don't know when, so just want to share it with you here. I know many people love this favorite, but I don't know, it's my third attempt and it still didn't work for me, and I know it's my last favorite. So that's all, guys, that I want to share with you. Hope this helps if you considering to buy this favorite. It is a beautiful bag, and I love the shape, I love everything about it, but when I want to use it, this happens. See, you can squeeze it everywhere. Not that it's a bad thing, but that's not for me. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.